Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make chocolate using compound. This method is incredibly straightforward, perfect for beginners or anyone wanting a quick treat. Compound chocolate is a fantastic choice because it doesn't need the precise temperature control of traditional chocolate tempering. We'll cover the basic steps, from melting to molding, ensuring you get delicious results every time. Gather your ingredients, and let's get started on this fun and easy chocolate-making journey. The key to melting compound chocolate is gentle, consistent heat. If using a microwave, place your chopped chocolate in a heat-safe bowl and heat in short bursts, typically 30 seconds at a time. Stir thoroughly after each interval to distribute the heat and prevent scorching. Alternatively, a double boiler works wonderfully. Just make sure the bowl doesn't touch the simmering water and no steam gets into your chocolate. Aim for a smooth, pourable consistency, usually around 110 degrees Fahrenheit. Now for the fun part, customizing your chocolate. Once your compound is perfectly melted, you can stir in oil-based flavorings like peppermint or orange extract, or even a few drops of oil-based food coloring. This is also the ideal time to mix in any inclusions, such as chopped almonds or colorful sprinkles. Carefully pour the chocolate into your molds, filling them to your desired level. Then, gently tap the molds on your work surface a few times to remove any air bubbles, ensuring a smooth finish. After molding, it's time to let your chocolates set. You can leave them at room temperature, which might take an hour or two, or pop them into the refrigerator for about 15 to 20 minutes for a quicker set. Once they are completely firm and opaque, gently flex the molds to release your beautiful, homemade chocolate pieces. They should pop out easily. Also, for a fantastic resource on personal finance, check out the link in the description for The Simple Path to Wealth along with other great deals. Store your finished chocolates in an airtight container away from direct sunlight, and they'll stay fresh for several weeks. Enjoy your delicious creations.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.